Total weather alert on this Christmas Eve, and we're talking about winds already rocking and rolling. Right now, the winds are gusting to almost 40 in Portland, 30 out in Wiscasset, 35 in Rockland. Let's go ahead and talk about other threats from the storm. It's also landing right at astronomical high tide, so a king tide happening today across Maine. So if you're in an area that tends to get those really super tides and flooding sometimes with splash over, you're getting it around 10-16. That's high tide. So splash over, flooding. Seas offshore are going to be 17 to 22 feet swells. Yeah, not a good day to be lobstering, right? Southeast winds will be gusting 65, maybe up to 70 miles an hour today. All right, there's also a flood watch. That's different. That's from the rain and the snow melt combined. So poor drainage areas, roads that tend to pond up, that's going to happen today. And also we have to watch for rivers and streams. Those streams are going to fill up fast, where the mountains got 25 inches of wet snow last week, and they got snow overnight, and they're going to get 4 inches of rain. It's going to be bad news. There's going to be a lot of areas filling up with water. So what we're looking at now is the models are punching out about 1.5 inches in Rangeley, but you can see there's isolated spots of heavier amounts. Over 1 inch of rain expected in the Portland area. We've already received some, so this is additional. The wind gusts are big deals along the coastline, especially the mid-coast down east, 55 to 65. And again, there's that isolated 70-mile-per-hour wind, especially on the mid-coast. And it will be extremely windy inland. That's why we have that high wind warning. Let's take a look at the 8-day, because there's a lot going on. We have Christmas this weekend. Behind the storm, it really freezes up. We go from 52 today down to 15, and it's going to drop fast. I mean, once the temperature drops here, it's about an hour or two, you're going to notice it's freezing, and everything's going to be icy tomorrow morning. But it's going to be sunny during the day. Christmas Eve at night, any plans, celebrations, Christmas Eve, it's going to be 18 degrees, feeling like single digits with the winds around. And then Christmas Day is going to be a bright, sunny day, but cold, 26. And look at that. We like seeing that calm weather after that, Ross. I'm all right with it.
Yeah, and finally, after this big swing.